apples, welcome back to the channel. Today we have another Mazzel marathon. It's been almost 10 months I think since I did my first one, but then since then I've reacted to BMSG Fest, which is on my Patreon, and then I've also reacted to a few BMSG songs with the Mazzel members in it. I love them. I don't know all their names. I know probably about half of them. So yeah, we're just gonna get it. We have Waterfall, Counterattack, Seaside Story, and Mazquerade. Okay, that's spelled not normally how I would see it. I don't think your girl don't know English though half the time either, so you know. Yeah, even though it's my first language, but whatever. Okay, so let's get it. Let's die, probably. Waterfall. Okay. Said though, I think that's you. Water powers? Ooh, the yes, I'm good. Yeah, I said though, I think. Ooh, no, get you away from me. Ryuki, you acting like Ryoki, you better get away from me. What's up? You man know I do. Okay, so get it. Oh, Aki. I think okay, I used to say Iki, but I think it's pronounced Aki. Hey. Okay, Ron. Hey, let's get it. Okay, Karu, canción. I love him. I just cannot pronounce his freaking name. It's so hard to pronounce for me. I'm not even gonna try to pronounce it, but I really like him. Really do. Okay, Karu, let's go. Ooh, I like this song. Let's go on my playlist. And drippin', hey, let's go. Oh, the melody. Okay. Oh, say so. Oh my god, I love it. Oh, Ryuki. Oh my god. I'm so sick of Ryuki. I cannot take it. I'm telling you now. Ryuki reminds me of Ryoki. That's why I cannot handle this little guy. He's too much and he's too young. I think he's an 04 liner, right? He's my brother's age. Like, stop. We dripping. Oh. That's Yuto. Something Yuto. Kayoko or something like that. Okay, Aki, let's get it. Kaido is okay. Okay, Kaido is killing. Okay. Oh, I really like that song. Okay, I ain't gonna lie, that chorus was so good. The chorus was so good. Music production was good too, but chorus was so good. Very, very vibey and catchy song. I'm just saying, Ryuki needs to stop. Really needs to stop. I love Kaido's voice. Same with Ron. Like Ron has grown on me so freaking much. Since BMSG, like the auditions, like he's grown on me a lot. But I've always loved Kaido. Like I love his vocals. Him and Reiko, really, and Junon, of course. You know, like had to have been like my favorite vocals in BMSG. Like the auditions, like they really were so freaking good. Like so good. Seito kills me. I'm not even gonna lie. I cannot pronounce that guy's name. It's so hard. Like I know his name. Like it's in my mind, but I don't know how to say it. Like I try so hard, but like I feel like I fail every time I try to say his name. Nai, please help me because I really like him. He always stands out to me, and I just cannot pronounce his name. Oh, that's who that was. Taikuto. Oh, I did get his name right. I was so damn surprised. Okay, I knew it was something like it's Kaito. Okay. And then the other guy that I can't remember, what's his name? Oh, I definitely know Ryuki. That dude would be killing the fuck out of me. Oh, Hayuto and Kayuto. Oh yeah, it's gonna take me a minute to get them and their faces correct, because their names are very similar. Than Kaido. I definitely know Kaido. I'm looking at their profile right now because I had forgot two of their names. Yeah, they be killing. Hayuto. Yeah, okay, but yeah, not Naya is the one that I keep like seeing, and like I really like him, but I cannot pronounce his name for the life of me, like at all, and it kills me. But yeah, Taikuto, and oh look, I didn't forgot the other name. He's the youngest. Magne. I don't know that in Japanese. Hayuto. Those are the two that I always forget. Okay. Let's move on to Counterattack. I don't even want to be. This sounds dangerous. Okay. Dangerous. Let's go. Ooh, no. What the hell? Oh shit! Oh, okay. Oh no, okay. Ryuki and Seito, shut the F up. Like, I'm not joking with you. Oh. Yeah, get him out flow. 거울 대고 이치뼈 각수라 뭐. In the mirror, take round 노래 아도 그봐. I'm fearless. 내 호랑이 가도 결혼이와 겸이 나의 가로 구진이 jack. Okay, Ron, let's get it. Ooh, nice. Oh, he has a deep voice. Didn't know he could go that low. Isn't that I'm so sick of him. Get him away from me. And then you kick me? I'm so sick of him. Please get him away from me. Say so. Okay, gone? Cut. Not the Jake Paul. Can we not? Oh my god. Get him away from me. Oh, Ryuki. Dude, between Ryuki and Seito, I just need some help. You two, get away. Get away. Okay, hats came off. We did a wardrobe change I didn't even recognize until I got. Oh, I was so into this song. Kaido sounds so good. Can I attack? Take it back. Ever sit alone to me? You can run, but you cannot hide. Okay, Iggy. Hey. Oh my god, Naya. Oh my god. Get up. Okay, God, wait. I need. Oh my god, these both. I didn't even say the last song is going on my playlist. The last song is going on my playlist. This song is going on my playlist. Oh my god. Between Noya. I didn't know how to pronounce his name. And Kaido, I'm gonna pass the frick out. You can run, but you cannot hide. Cookie one out, so I thought some more night. Couldn't attack, take it back. Get a cookie, I ain't big say. Sono I na big say. I don't wanna cry. Tori modoshita no wa fry. Oh, did you see Rick? Did you? Oh, I'm gonna pass out. I'm pass the freak out. Not only do we have Kaido's vocals, did you guys see Ryuki slide in? Did you guys see this child slide in? I'm gonna pass out. Ryuki, I swear to God, I'm not playing with you. You need to stop. You need to stop. I'm crying. Kaido, okay? Oh, get it, Ron. Oh. Okay, I gotta figure out. It was 04, right? You were born in 04. Ryuki, I swear to God, I'm about to come through this damn screen and I'm gonna... Seito, so Seito is 2001. Eiki is 2001. Kaido and Takuto. Okay, I missed Ryuki. So he must be an 04 liner, right? Ryuki right here. Oh yeah, 04. Okay, so your birthday was October 4th. So you just turned 20. Oh God. This child. I mean, I was born 2000. I'm 4 years older than you, so like, calm down. Calm down. No. I love that. Okay. So far, Counterattack is my favorite. Yeah, don't get me wrong, I really liked Waterfall, but Counterattack, yeah, literally the structure of this song with the music production and how everybody, like, literally, I felt like everybody was one in this one. Like, they all sounded, like, they all complimented each other in this song. That's what I really liked about Counterattack. Oh my god, it was so good. And then the bridge of this song between Noya, sorry, still pronouncing it wrong, and then when Karu came in, and then the way Karu pulled Ryuki off the ground, stop. Like, stop. Oh my god. And Seito in this, okay, I need help. Yep. Alright, this seems cute. Maybe we can survive this one. Did I like the other two? Yeah, okay, maybe we can survive this one. Let's just go. Oh, this is gonna be cute. Oh, stop. Hey, not the Volkswagen. Stop, they're so cute. Are you okay? It's so cute. Say no, I say. Love the hair on Seito though. Wait, the guy in the blue hair, was that Seito or is that Hayuto? They kind of look like Hayuto. Wait. Because I think this is Seito. I think Seito has blonde hair. Who is this one? No, I think this is Hayuto. Kayuto? Is that who that is? So I'm gonna be Hayuto. Yeah, because Seito has blonde hair. Yeah. Seito. Oh, that's it. Yeah, that's Seito. So. I'm thinking the blue hair is, I think it's Kayuto. I don't think it's Hayuto. I think the other one's Hayuto. I think that the blue hair one is Kayuto. Yeah, because I think that one's Hayuto. I think this one's Hayuto. The one with the blue hair is Kayuto. Yeah, that's Kayuto. Yeah, that's Kayuto. Seiko, shut up. Fuck up. Ooh, I love this. We got the mission again. And then their debut song was Mission. I love that. We go to the mission again, girl. Can you not speak? Okay, so that was Hayuto, and then the other one was Kayuto. Okay, I was right. Yeah. Takuto, yeah, that's Taikuto. I thought so. Okay. Ryuki, always, always. You take so much after Ryoki. I'm not even joking. I love this. This definitely gave me like bonfire summer vibes, sitting around a fire, like very much campfire summer, you know, just enjoying each other's company, like yeah. And then it's called Seaside Story, so like a bunch of friends getting together, having fun, living their best life. Like that's exactly what it gave me, and I love that. I love that. Okay, Mazquerade. I'm actually kind of scared for this one. So far, I like all of them. They're all going on my playlist. I'm not going to say too much yet, but still Counterattack is still my favorite right now. Counterattack is still my favorite. Yep. Alright, this is the last one, guys. I'm so sad. I love them so much. Let's go. Oh, Lord. This is creepy. This is giving me carnival vibes. Oh no. Okay, Mom, let's get it. Ooh, Sato. Oh, you're a werewolf? Okay. So, or a vampire? What are you, a vampire? You had like the hair of a werewolf. That's a vampire. Werewolf. Oh, you're gorgeous. Not you. Ooh, okay, Kaido, what the hell are you? I don't even know what that is. You look like an angel. But you sound right. Ryuki, you're a pirate. You about to steal everything. I already know that. I love how it's Mazquerade and everybody's pretending to be somebody else. Oh, Aki, what the hell? Oh my god, that's Hayuto, right? Oh my god. The Magne? Or the youngest? That's Hayuto. Sato! Oh, I love the chorus.
Cause Wonderland We never stop Never quit 楽しみたいなら短いこのライフ気にする暇ないさ Why so serious?
That's why I said it gives me carnival vibes, because they said, why so serious? Like, stop.
みたいなら短いこのライフ気にする暇ないさ Why so serious?
Oh, Seto, you better stop. Seto, you better stop. Oh, Seto.
My brother, ooh. My brother, what you gonna do now? What you gonna do now?
Don't be afraid, come with me, Mazquerade. Dance in the dark, take my hand, up you'll have to laugh. Hi,響き渡るのさ、悪魔の天使の歌、不敵な意味で Cover up in the midnight masquerade.
Ooh, you heard about it, bring on the big show.
겨우기를 우리 that's the stage in the midnight masquerade.
Oh, that was catchy. Oh, that was good. Very Halloween vibes. And Halloween just passed. I should have reacted to this a couple weeks ago. Okay, wait. Okay, Mazzel. Okay, wait. I already liked y'all. I really like y'all now. Okay, so Counterattack is still my favorite. Out of this whole marathon, Counterattack. Very much Counterattack. This song I think has to be my favorite. Between this actually and then I still really like Mission. I listen to Mission a lot more than I listen to, I don't know, the first marathon, I still listen to quite a few of their songs, but I think Mission would have to be, I'm trying to think, what else did I listen to by them? I can't even, Fire. So Fire and Mission are the two top songs I listened to in my last marathon, and I guarantee in this marathon, definitely Counterattack, and I'm thinking Waterfall and Counterattack are my top favorites, and then it would probably be Seaside Story and then Mazquerade. I really like the lyrics behind Mazquerade though, like pretend, like in this Mazquerade they were being somebody else, and they were talking about a freak show, how we're all different, but at the same time we might be all different and like we're behind this masquerade, but in the end, like accepting who you are as a person, and then other people accepting you too. So I really like the story behind Mazquerade in general. I really do. Very much October vibes, and it is November 2nd, right? Or is it 3rd? It's already 3rd. April, get your life together. But and it's so funny because I meant to react to this marathon last week, but I never had a chance to. But yeah, I really like Mazquerade, and I love the message behind Mazquerade. But I think Counterattack really, between the lyrics, the music production, and the way they came on this song, I think Counterattack is definitely my favorite. Like, I love, in this marathon, Counterattack is my shit. I can guarantee I'm gonna play this song so much. Like, Counterattack and Fire pretty much even, and then it would be Mission, and then it would probably be Waterfall, then Seaside Story, and then Mazquerade. But I really like Carnival. I'm not gonna lie, I think Carnival might be tied with Carnival might be after Waterfall, because I really liked Carnival. Yeah, I'm trying to think of everything else that I listened to in that first marathon, and I can't think of it. I know I listened to another song, and I just can't think of it right this second. But, yeah, guys, I really like Mazzel. I do. I mean, of course I do. Sky High picked them. Of course I like them. Kairu's vocals take me out. Seto and Ryuki need to stop coming for me. I'm really, really, really liking, Kayuto. I'm really liking Kayuto. I like Kayuto too, but I'm really, really liking Kayuto. And then of course Eiki is, because y'all said it wasn't Iki, it was Eiki if I'm not mistaken. I really like him. And then Nelia. I'm gonna learn to say it one day. I really like him. He'd be taking me for a loop every time I listen to him. Yeah, I'm really liking all of them, honestly. And then of course Lon. I definitely know him. But yeah. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this marathon. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.